There we go. All right. So thanks, you guys, for coming on this call. I know, I didn't. April kind of snuck up on me, so I wasn't totally prepared. I had to put this together yesterday and today. So, but I do have some stuff that I want to talk to you about. I'm just going to talk about the developments over the last 30 days. I'm not going to do a feature like presentation today, just because I don't feel prepared for that. But our recent developments, though, I want to talk about these three things. First one is to edit your card, either for customers or affiliates. I've changed it just a very little bit, and I just want you guys to be aware of it, just in case if your customers come to you and have some questions about it. We had some people that have a card, and they wanted to be able to either show or not show the first two tabs, so their name tab or their business tab. And the reason for that was some companies actually have a company business card that actually uses a logo instead of a picture. And so they didn't want to see a name tab on there because they're going to have one card for the entire company and everybody's going to use the same card. So they wanted to be able to not show that. And then there was also people that wanted to not show the business card or the business tab. And also for some people that are, have really small companies, or, they like, there's a lady that cleans houses, so she doesn't really have a business name. And so for that reason, we actually now can hide those two tabs. And it's very easy. Once you log into your card, either for customers or affiliates, you're just going to click on Edit Card. Once you click on that, on the next page, you're going to go to Edit Card Info. So that's where you always go to edit your card. And then I've added these two right here. So Show Name tab and Show Business tab. So you can just toggle those on and off. So it's not that if you don't show it, it doesn't delete those tabs. They just won't show. So you can always come back later and toggle those back on. So it's not destructive. So very small change on that. Secondly, I have started a new email program for what happened here? A new email program for new customers. So when a new customer comes in, when a person buys a new card, they automatically get these 6 emails sent to them over 6 weeks. So they're all 1 week apart. And so they're all stylized exactly the same. So they're HTML emails, and you'll see when I open it up, one of them in just a second here. There's a web version of it just in case if they don't have HTML capable on their computers. The reason I designed these was actually a suggestion from one of our affiliates in St. Louis to help new customers, guide them through how to use their card and just give it in chunks. So the way I've set it up is they get 6 emails. Every email is a week apart. The first one they get immediately when they buy the card, and and you'll see that's the one on the left. And then there's a video about how to share the card. Then there's one about how to insert videos and media. There's one about the QR code application. That's really about that flyer that you guys all know about. And then there's also the 5th one is about how to sync your card with your contacts. And then the last one is dynamic direction. I'm actually in the process of making one more, and that's actually going to talk about the affiliate program. Again, those get sent out 1 week apart. I'll just show you the first one that gets sent out here is, so when they receive it, it automatically has their first name in the salutation. And then it just talks them through, thank you for buying the card. And then if they scroll down and they read all of this information, there is actually a video inside right there that's just how to set up a U card, and I have to change that to your card. I just saw that about 10 minutes ago that I misspelled that. That's actually a video. When they click on that, they actually get to watch a 5-minute video that explains how to set up their card, how to make changes to it. So all these videos, every single email has a video in it and they're all really, really short. So that way they don't have to read through a whole bunch of stuff. They can just watch it, and then so that they can learn it that way. If you scroll a little bit lower, every email also is going to have, except for this one just has other videos. And then every other email after that is going to have last week's email and the week and next week's email. So they're kind of, you know, for them, it's going to look like they're getting a brand new video every week. Of course, we have those on file, and you don't have to worry about it. This is fully automated. One really cool thing about it is right there. When you sell a card to a new customer, they get these emails, but all the emails are signed by you. So your customer is actually looking like they're getting the email from you. So, so just to make it personalized for you guys, and so when they respond to that email, if they actually do a reply to it, you'll actually get that. You'll actually get the email from them. So that's how that new program is set up. I'm actually working on one for the affiliates as well. You'll see a new affiliate also gets all of these emails because they also have their own card. But I'm also going to make a secondary one that talks about the affiliate program as well. So you'll hear more about that a little bit later on. But that's in the works right now. And then there's I've changed the procedures for signing up a new customer. So when you want to get a new customer signed up, you just go to the main website or to the affiliate website, click purchase. On the next page, you click on go to purchase page, and then from there, this is what has changed. The reason we've changed this stuff is because we were having problems with people going through the process, to the setup process, and PayPal. The whole thing with PayPal was confusing. So what we've done with PayPal, first of all, is we've taken out the username password that comes from PayPal. So we have taken that out. So you're not working with two different username passwords anymore from now on. And also, we had to make a change because PayPal just changed their processing last week Sunday. And so we didn't lose any transactions, but they didn't fully process. And so what happened was we had new people signing up, and we had no idea who they were. So now, with setting it up like this, they fill out all of this information, and they get logged into our database immediately. So just in case PayPal, there's a mess up with the processing there, we can actually now go back to the customer and actually get in touch with them. So it's pretty much the same. After this, you fill all of this stuff out, and then you just submit it, and it still goes through PayPal, but you're not going to be doing anything using the password there. You're just going to use the one that you fill out here. That's the one that's going to be used, and you don't have to change it. So
it's going to be one password up for everything?
Yeah. It used to be where if you bought a card, PayPal would give you a temporary username and password.
Yeah, I know. I went through that with you. Yes. Yeah.
Right, and it was only on one page. And if you didn't copy and paste it somewhere, once you're all the way done, it would ask for that username and password, and then you had to go find it. And then if you could find it and use it, it would log you in, and then immediately you would have to choose another username and password because the ones that PayPal gave were really, really random stuff.
Right.
So this way, we bypass all of that. You just choose your username, choose your password, and that's it. And so
when you hit payment process, to process now, it takes you right in and takes your payment and everything.
No, when you click submit here, it's still going to go through PayPal. Right. We still have to process it, but it's not gonna do anything with that username password. It's just gonna bypass.
Right. You're gonna bypass it because you're gonna use the same password as your account.
Right. And so once you're done with that, you log in with the username password you filled out here, and then your first name, last name, phone number, and email address are already going to be filled out in your new card as well, because we filled it out on this form. So you're still going to have to fill out a
David,
few things.
David, this looks like.
Go ahead.
Sorry, go ahead. I was going to let you finish that sentence. Go ahead.
You're still going to have to upload your picture and your business logo and all that. So none of that has changed. Go ahead, Dallas.
This looks, I'm just in the screenshot you're showing us here, this looks like this is specifically for new customers. Has this also changed when signing up an affiliate?
I'm working on that. We haven't done that yet, but I need to do it. And actually, I started working on it this morning, but I've been in meetings all day. And it's not necessary for us to do it with the affiliates, but I'm doing it anyway just because it gives us a little bit of a layer of protection just in case the transaction goes bad. Then we still have all the information.
Okay. Cool.
But I'm definitely, I am making the change for the affiliates as well.
So it's not for affiliate signups, it's just for the new card signup.
Yeah, this one's just for regular customers. And so we had to make this a little bit easier because the customer actually fills all of this stuff out. When you do a new affiliate sign up, you guys as affiliates actually fill out the forms for
fill out the information. Right, exactly.
Yeah, those forms are a little bit longer. But yeah, so that is all about the new sign-up procedure. So really, that's all I wanted to talk about today. So if you guys do have any questions or any answers, this is the time. And if you have any suggestions as well, we have a couple new affiliates that I was hoping that were going to jump on this call in St. Louis. There's one guy, Dallas, you know him, it's Greg. Greg has been texting and calling me almost every single day with how he's doing and new ideas that he's coming up with. And I'm probably going to have him do the next webinar next month, or do part of it. But if you guys have any ideas or concerns or anything, just let me know. So I just want to open it up to you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Okay, David, I have a quick question for you. So I'm in my card now. Of course, I'm jumping in my card now, and I'm looking at the videos. And, of course, they have the Welcome to the Affiliate Card Program, how to set up your card, personal versus business codes, the webinar, and then also another webinar, right? So those are the only 4 videos that I see in my digital business card. Is that right?
You're looking in your affiliate account on the computer, right?
Right. I'm looking in. I logged into my digital business card. Yeah.
Yes. Let me log on here so you guys can follow me as well. Everybody else here.
Okay.
Let me open this up here. Log in. You guys can see that, right?
Right.
So you're looking at.
I'm in the main menu, and I see the QR application, success program, inspiration videos, affiliate program. Open my card, correct? I'm opening my card, and I want to sign up a new person on a card. I was looking for that particular.
Are you looking to sign up a new affiliate or a new card?
A new customer.
A new customer for you, because you're not set up with the success program, right?
That's correct. Mm-hmm.
Then you just have to go to the main website with digitcard.com and click on purchase.
Okay, so not through since I don't have the success program, I can't sign them up through my website.
Right.
Okay. And just use my codes, basically.
Yes.
Okay.
So if I go, actually, let me log out here. Let me actually show you.
When I use my code, it'll show up under my name, that I sold it to. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds great. Yeah.
So yeah, if you look at the screen right now, this is actually your account. So under discount codes, I got to look into that. What's going on here? I got to take one of these out.
Yeah, and
Did you know you had? Did you know you had 2 different codes for 49? It's not. This is not really a problem.
Right.
They both work. I'm not sure why 2 of them were created there. But yeah. So from there, the videos that we were talking about, was that this one right here?
Right. Right. So yeah, I'm okay with the videos and everything. I just wanted to make sure that I was clear that I need to go since I don't have a success program to sign up a card member,
Right.
just a new card. I need to go back to the regular website, the basic
Right.
website. Okay.
Yeah.
No worries.
You'll see it here under Success Program. You'll see it doesn't go anywhere. It just has a sign up here.
Right.
So you just have to go to the main website, liftedyourcard.com.
Right. And I got my different pricing codes in my website. So no worries. I'm good.
Right.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any other things, you guys?
Not looking good.
No, looks good.
Awesome.
David, I might throw this out that maybe it might be cool to hear some other people's opinions maybe next month or whatever when we get together to have a little time where we powwow about some different closing techniques, because
Okay.
some of the people you talk to, you go back, you let them play with your card for a day or two, you contact them again, and they're either a cold fish or, sorry, that's my kid crying in the background, either a cold fish or a dead fish, and then other people might be more interested in buying right now. So it might be good to talk about some of the people who are having more success signing up a lot of folks. It might be good to talk closing techniques a little bit.
All right. Yeah, that's perfect.
Especially if May is going to be the big push month,
right,
where we're going to all try to do the 20 and 30.
Right. Yeah. That's a good idea. And also, I'm going to combine that with also how to find new affiliates as well. Because it's one thing to talk to everybody you know, but at some point you're done with everybody you know. So how do you find new people that you don't know to sell this stuff to? So I'll be talking about that as well. I just started a video blog that I'm just testing out right now that is all about that. That's it's about the business side of network marketing. And so the first 10 videos are all about how do I find new customers and new affiliates once my pool of friends and family dries up.
Right.
So, but yeah, that's good. Let's definitely do that next month. So,
Sounds great.
all right. Any other things, you guys?
No, thank you, David. Appreciate it.
No, not for me.
All right. All right. Then we're just gonna call this one, and yeah, if you have any more questions or anything, just let me know later, and I'll just respond to it to your emails. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for joining.
Thanks, Dave.
Okay. Good night. Take care.
Night.
Okay, you too.